Hello? Yes?
This is Karen Marino from Champion Vending Company. I'm with customer service.
Yeah.
I'm calling in regards to your complaint letters, Mr. Mitchell. There's been 4 so far.
You're with the customer service department?
Yes, sir, I am the customer service department. It's just me.
Do you usually make service calls at 2 in the morning?
No, not really. Never. I apologize for the inconvenience.
I was just venting and I didn't expect anybody to read them. I'm sorry
Your
if...
letters